Entinche bia ana Bimbo Ademoye, Nigerian actor, ever send a strong warning to Ghana TV stations. As me by no, there's a better board. Obia e can be. Obia can be. Some George Nkwango can be a. Ziega hey. Kala. En sheme bufu. En sheme bufu. Baby, I will get calling there. A hot once market can. She once by can ye. Ziega abe fire some George. Ever some more obe can ye. Concern the issue between Bimbo Ademoye and the Ghana TV stations. Aha Penyah block media. Mesra say any demo. Obe like video that one subscribe button and snap click the notification icon of latest updates. Na ba chire wa adwen dia mama e wo comment section. Mesra so ba so. Na share video na ma for so enya bi ahwe. Entenka mi hye mo ye ho say Nigerian actress. I was say movie producer Bimbo Ademoye oba ne Instagram. Na say o brun sems any small brun nyane say ohwemu a. There are particular TV channels in Ghana here every blessed day. So movies here free of charge or no upload movies able to YouTube. Now channels we over the document I download it. Now less than 2 hours. No more than a movie na TV channels ever month for really free. Let's say in another sense, they are actually enjoying from the sweat of someone. It was a Bimbo Ademoye on Instagram. I don't make it post. I know what them say. Enough is enough. I hate that I have to do this, but my blood, sweat, tears, hard work, money, sleepless nights will not be enjoyed by someone else. Enough is enough. Enya me fese me yesi nanso efe me fira matie adwumade amaye ekomo ade me anadwo a me na nyina no me nya nhwe ha ma obi e me enjoy me nya nhwe ha da e mu bi me enjoy. And was that what I say? As it is now, there are already 2 channels that have stolen my title and my poster for about 2 to 3 days now. There are Nolly News Series TV and Nolly Specials. Guys, please help me report their channels. Some channels be Nolly Series TV and Nolly Specials. Why these 2 channels we know almost stealing the title any image or design. It is unfair that with work day and night and one evil demon will come and reap where they didn't sow. This time I will not take it. Chesera or broswa. What I say? Chirim say na see any there. Onya nhwe ha. E doki kan se nyina wie no. And what did this particular video to?
Hi guys, Bimbo Ademoye here. First of all, I'd like to say a very big thank you for all the love and support that you have shown me in respect of the PR for Broken Hallelujah. But I wanted to let something known. It's been eating me. It's been eating deep inside of me. And I just wanted to let you know. Broken Hallelujah is coming, right? But I thought we were past the days of piracy. And this video is actually to send a sound warning. It's not a threat, but at the same time, it's a very sound warning. And I'm going to do a breakdown for you guys. This video might be long, but please listen. You know those people that take your thumbnail and your title and pretend like it's the same film for clickbait? Please, I'm begging you now. Let's all remember that we used an email address to open a YouTube channel. You can be traced, you can be tracked, you can be found. You guys, I don't have a problem. See, it's already bad enough that they're using my face for films that I'm not in. No problem. But when I call a photographer, they take pictures of me. I pay them. They send me back the pictures. I pay somebody to do a poster. They send it back to me. I go through all that process. That picture, that poster is my intellectual property. It belongs to me. I didn't give you permission to use it. My title has been copyrighted. I didn't give you permission to use it. It's a different thing if, okay, like a movie Homecoming and then The Homecoming. That one is fine. But when you use my actual title and my thumbnail, then we have a problem. then you now proceed to be evil and upload my film on your channel without my consent. I spent millions of naira making this movie. You know what it means to cast top actors? They charge me, and I gladly pay because they bring their A game. Then I'll now do all of that day and night. Sometimes we don't sleep. Crew members will suffer. They won't go home. We just walk round the clock. Then you will now sit down at the comfort of your home and lift my film and put on your channel. That TV station in Ghana, I'm talking to you. Don't put my movie up. I didn't give you permission to. I don't even want, before I was even like, well, at least talk to me. Let's discuss on how we can both share. I don't want your money. Don't put my movie up. All the TV stations in Ghana that put my movie, I didn't give you permission to. Don't put my movie up. Ayɛka Films. You don't put my movie up, but you put my thumbnail and my title, and then you pretend like it's a part 2. I'm warning you. Actually, you're the one I'm looking for because I want to use you as an example. Ayɛka Films. I'm calling you out. And the crazy thing is, you don't even do a review. I know people that do reviews of my movie. I see them. I love them. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. But Ayɛka, you post and you talk a lot of trash. Let me give you an example of what you do. So guys, have you seen this beautiful movie? It's a lovely movie. It's a nice movie. So the movie is nice. Tell us what to think about the movie. That's not a review. You're talking bullshit. And using our thumbnail for clickbait. Don't put up, don't use my, Ayɛka Films, don't review my movie. Don't talk about my film. Because when I take your channel down, or I have you picked up and arrested, nobody should come and cry wolf and say Bimbo is actually using power to intimidate anybody. Because I'm warning you now. The TV station in Ghana, you're not untouchable. You're not unreachable. Stop uploading my movies on your channel. Those of you that use my thumbnail and my title and you use another film, I don't care if I'm in the film. Don't use my thumbnail. It's my intellectual property. It's mine. And I'm not giving you permission to use it. Please. I've had sleepless nights. My eyes are red. I haven't slept. I've been working on PR. I've been spending money. My family, my father, my nephew, my sister, nobody has slept because we're all working to make sure that this PR is like huge. Then one evil person will now wake up and decide to use my property, my intellectual property, because you want to feed. And you think that food will digest? Please, I'm warning you now. I mind my business. When I do my crazy, I make you guys laugh, I go back into my shell. Do not see a side of me that you will not like. I'm warning you now. Don't play with me. Thank you.
So, as even now can, now comment section, people were trying to sympathize with her. Even some of the Ghanaians, because if you comment equal, let's say, the kind of TV channels are almost deal with both Nigeria and Ghana here. Almost Nolly TV, Royal Arts TV, Nolly Specials, Nolly Series TV. I think these are, Nigerian TV channels. And a Ghana channel, so Pemsan TV, Movement TV, Unity TV, Daily TV, just say all these TV channels in Ghana here, they are fond of doing this piracy. They are found victims to this act. It will make you way now. There's a comment section. People were actually tagging or be on so can be a woman. And somebody can tag Coffee Danku. Coffee Banner say, "Hi, ma'am. My management and I are working on putting a stop to this. You should see definite actions in a couple of weeks." There's an overshare about say, "I do it now or they are concern our drawing there. Or we take actions on that. Only the team working behind door. And I say, making sure say they will rectify this situation at hand." And one of some that I do as a video na say. And also better for 10. Over me say, at Bimbo Ademoye, my attention has been drawn to your post. Thanks to the tag. Just say, ni obi na tag into or then across. I will be raising the issue with a colleague minister responsible for overseeing television content. Okay. And yet, Oswafo aya pound say, "Oh no, TV sense me no on hwe no. Media say be no hu ye. Many be hu kom, mesusu hu dia atre." I, however, wish to assure you that our government is very respectful of intellectual property rights and would ensure the protection of same. Me sure but say memo and this memo there. Intellectuals of rights in Yagro. I believe Ghana and Nigeria have so much we can continue to collaborate on for our mutual benefit. So when you are there, Sam Zata George Echo Treye with that particular post now. Bimbo Ademoye na all fire Ghana TV stations are almost a streaming program on TV no. Oko make this as comment was here. Na emona Ziega on United Showbiz. Ziega ready no see there be asem Sam George kan ho ne de. Eye no nwa say communication minister mu a. Gina Ghana nyina anim. Na oko kasa say do on tiase. It will be fire Sam George hard one.
Where are Sam George? Where are Sam George? Communication minister. You should buy and me who tweet. Na do kind of try to be responding to Modi. I say my attention has been drawn to your post thanks to the tag or the girl because they are not tagging. I will be raising the issue with my colleague minister responsible for overseeing television content. I however wish I assure you that our government is very respectful of intellectual property rights and would ensure the protection of same. I believe Ghana and Nigeria have so much we can continue to collaborate on for our mutual benefit. Okay. You have some George networks advocacy. And we are now working program so Meet FM. Na me pese me ya na be defending asem na work. Na me dwena anensi so. If you say asem what you say, my attention has been drawn to your post. Thanks to your time, I will be raising the issue with colleague minister responsible for overseeing television content. What's colleague minister there? And you oversee television content.
Agencies now one as yes you ministry nasi. I said NFAC no. The agency Ministry of Tourism as. It been to patch say yeah boss no. Which is Madam.
You see that's what I told you. It could be say no control agency and no control ministry. Say a ministry no control there. And yes I prepare you with that. Because a minister of state, the minister of state, this is a confusing. This is an international banter. I'm a minister, a sector minister. You don't know this is your own ministry.
Films, it's a means of communication. Movies and music are means of communication.
Only responsible.
Okay, now.
Only responsible. President Mahama Bai. Yasisa ministries no. You understand? If you more hono mo a ya chichem and you did be akoshishe mutu one you be say chieftaincy and akoka a local government. So the definition in there is becoming different. So I was trying my best to information ministry or because GBC at a point was under the information ministry. So let who say the information ministry has been scrapped. You understand? And Felix Ofosu-Kwakye's office, our the presidency no, or your communication director and as a minister at the presidency, but your communication minister in the person of Mr. Sam George, who are Ayɛka who seminar is under him. Ayɛka na ba bontin sabaka tell and say sector over directed to a sector minister. Oh, we are no more say.
Oh, yeah.
Under his jurisdiction.
I'm not going to put you back to so Koku person say Koku say Sam George biana Sam George and just say e bi kwa no say sa agency under him. He say say and we down minister Ziega.
No, if you are being biased.
Ziega. What the tourism minister here? What is the right person?
That's my minister. My CEO.
Agric minister. Then I'm saying minister. You are guiding money is vibrant. Yes. But madam no, I have a better be the man. A job great here. We are agenda mama me ya the number. You telling ka.
American say to point different states.
G-Man said you are wrong with the copyright accession. I can say you need permission.
But you are correct, you need permission.
Yeah,
at all levels. I was saying that the permission is the thing. So you consult the person that owns the person that deal. The representatives, no, and then I say, but you say, me kasa.
But that is the seeking of permission at the same time.
Me kasa, no, na me just say, girl, no kasa entirely. We need a year. It is wrong.
No, I say, be a baby silly.
And I make sure
she's right.
No, it's not. She's
not.
No,
she's right.
She's not. She's never.
Hey, Ziega.
See me.
Quite be a baby silly. Me na media.
Registered where? So register. The moment you register your works, it's also fair use. Not unfair use. Arnold, Classification Act. Read the section 10 of the Classification Act.
Classification Act. Read
the section 10 of the Classification Act. You need the license. Ziega.
It's okay.
I agree with you on
What about fire some joy? What about fire no? What is your view on that? Tell what your mama and some Ziega can you know in relation to comment as some joy they make here. Only say Ziega submission does it add up? Does it make any sense? And I said, I didn't baby because I want to know the okay. Tell what your mama comment section. I Penyah Block Media.